Introducing the 2023 BYD Atto 3 BYD Design, the perfect blend of luxury, technology, and efficiency. This stunning 5-door estate in sleek white offers a truly electric driving experience with automatic transmission and a powerful electric power source. Step inside and discover a world of comfort with features like air conditioning, cruise control, and satellite navigation. Your safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Style meets security with roof rails, a spoiler, and a sunroof. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a warranty and a full health and safety check. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Visit pixel.com or call us today